with me, always be tough. Family, every single opinion. And even when it starts acting like a fool, somehow I always can fall back on you.
Hey girl, hey, how you doing? It's your girl Leah. For this video, I'm gonna try to do a Sophiology 3-in-1. I'm trying to follow her because I love her 3-in-1s. Like, I've watched quite a few of them. I haven't watched them all. I'm gonna try to click on a video that I have not watched of hers and then follow along with her. I look pretty crazy right now, but Sophie about to get us right. Right, so if you watching this, let's just do this.
For God so loved the world, he gave his only son.
I love how she always
so that
has
whoever
these,
believes in him should never die,
quotes,
but have eternal life. John 3:16.
I should be ashamed of myself because I went to Catholic school my entire life, and I had a brain fart. But I love how she had these little biblical verses in the beginning.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So your girl was this close to not recording, like this close. Decided to explode with pimples. Like I got there.
Me too.
There. But you know what?
Yeah.
I'm here now. So,
me too.
You know,
it's that time of the month for me, but
I'm getting these teeth right and popping for Jesus with these.
All right, hold on. We're gonna have to pause that right there. I don't have no Crest 3D white strips, so I'm just gonna skip this little part right here. We're just gonna see what she does next.
And then I'm gonna moisturize my face so that my skin.
All right, I don't have a Vino. I don't have a Vino like she does, so I'm using the Nivea. I guess she uses regular facial, regular like lotion. So. Whoa, she, hold on. Still moisturizing. It's a little weird, but okay. But I love how she just came back on, her eyebrows were already done, like sis.
Let's get started on the makeup. I'm gonna take this right here. I'm gonna use this along with the concealer to clean.
Okay, all right. I see what's going on here. She just gonna tell us what she doing, what she put on her face, and we not gonna see what she does. But dang girl, how'd you open your products after your hands are all oily? All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows too, since that's what she did, and I'll be right back. I'm not using the Anastasia like she does because I'm right out of that, and I have not replaced it yet. Did she say what concealer she was using?
Sorry. I'm gonna use this along with the concealer to clean up my brows. So before you guys ask me about this beautiful scarf, I actually stole it from my mama. Best decision I have ever made, okay? I think every girl has stolen something from her mom, which is not good. Anyways, back to the makeup. I don't have...
Okay, all right. She didn't say which concealer she was using, but... I'm gonna use what I usually use. I'm pretty sure this is what every subscriber goes through when they try to follow their favorite YouTubers' tutorials. That one just looks squiggly. You know what? She gonna get me right?
I don't have color corrector, so I'm gonna use that concealer and cover up my acne scars, which worked. And then...
Okay. Alright. I don't have color corrector either, so... we're gonna do the same thing. Okay, you down here, you over here, girl. I broke out for real. Do we blend these out, Soph? Like, or do we just pat the concealer on? Wait, did we ever put on primer? All right, I'm just gonna keep watching.
When I record, I always do like weird new stuff, and I did this thing on my eyebrows where like I had made fake hairs in the front, and it actually looked pretty good. Like, I may have to start hitting that every time I do my makeup from now on. But going to the eyes.
Okay, I'm gonna do that too. Right? It's not working for me. I just look dumb. Did I do it 20 times? Yeah, I just look stupid.
Actually looked pretty good. Like, I may have to start hitting that every time I do my makeup from now on. But going to the eyes.
You know what? Listen, this is not, this part right here is just not gonna work for me. I'm just gonna continue doing this, which is what I usually do. And then I'm just gonna like blend that concealer in a bit. I think she did this already. I might have just missed it. All right, eyebrows are done. I'm gonna tell you guys about this little giveaway right here with Bliss by Baddie Inc. If you head on over to @Baddie Inc. on Instagram, they are giving away a lash box like this with 2 lashes in them. And all you have to do to enter their giveaway is just follow their Instagram page, like a couple pictures, and tag your bestie under their picture with this box. All the rules are listed on Instagram, but you and your best friend will get a box like this. And you get to pick which lash style you want to. So, yeah. I'm not gonna put them on because I do not want to ruin my lash extensions. I have like 1 more week until infill, and they're still going pretty strong. I don't want to ruin it. So moving on.
We finna get crazy today. I'm wearing eyeshadow. Don't get excited because I promise you, I still don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna take that.
So I don't have the Just Peachy palette. I had the Too Peachy or Sweet Peach or something like that peach. I had it. I gave it to my friend, so I don't have that. So I'm going to use the Morphe 35. Which one is this? 350 palette. Because she's going in with like, maybe not this palette. Maybe the Morphe 35N. Maybe. I lied. 350 it is. Right here. It kind of resembles the one that she's using. I didn't remember if she put concealer on her eyelid or not. But let's just hope this works.
I'm going to take that color and use it on everywhere. Because,
use it everywhere. Okay.
Yeah. And then I'm going to take that chocolate color and put it in my crease.
Wait, girl, pause. I could use this one. Or I could use that one. I think I'm gonna use this one.
Makeup terms, like I know what I'm doing, but I promise you guys I don't. Like, my subscribers do their eyeshadow better than me, and I'm a whole YouTuber, so like, what's really going on?
Ooh,
but yeah, like I'm not doing that. Look, it's kind of cute. I use like 3 shades. It's like a simple eye look or whatever.
Girl, I'm not really
am struggling. Okay, but I think it looks good. I'm happy with it.
So you know what? Can't even say anything. Really can't say anything. Kind of feel like I want to blend this a little bit because I feel a little crazy.
I feel pretty or whatever. Because I'm oily, I've learned to set my face with powder first before going in with my liquid foundation.
Okay, that's different.
As you know,
that's different. All right, yeah, because I'm over here starting to wipe my face already. Let's try that out. I've never done it. Did she just like put it everywhere?
Because I'm oily, I've learned to set my face with powder first before going in with my liquid foundation.
Okay, she just kind of put it everywhere. Let's try this out. Whoa. I can like see patches in my face already. What? How do I have patches? What is that from? I think I'm putting too much. I don't know how to do this. I think this video, I love Sophie, but I really think this video is more so for entertainment purposes and seeing how this girl slays, because maybe I might have to watch one of her regular, like, I look crazy. Oh my. Alright. I hope I haven't like this for too long. Okay, alright, on to the next. What's next?
And then, as you know, Fenty foundation is so good for oily skinned girls. So I'm gonna take that and apply it to my face. And then after that, I'm gonna...
Oh, that was quick. Alright, I don't have Fenty at all. I know I'm so late on the game that I still haven't bought it. But I have Milani. I'm gonna use Milani Conceal and Perfect. I forgot the color and this not anywhere on the bottle. Chestnut. Yeah, and this is really a fake beauty blender, guys. This is not a real beauty blender at all. I don't even remember where I got this. It's not even Real Techniques. So I don't know if my results will be different than hers because of that. I'm not even sure if this is my shade anymore. It did get a little darker. Is this even considered trying her 3-in-1 if I don't use the products that she uses? Imagine if commercials, like when they were putting on foundation, do they even show people putting on foundation on commercials? I don't know. Imagine they'd be like, ooh, it's like going on so buttery smooth. Yeah, this definitely is not my summer shade. I should probably go buy some more foundation. Foundation is on, Soph. What's next?
I'm gonna conceal with LA Girl Pro Concealer with this big old beauty blender.
Okay.
Speaking of beauty blenders,
whoa. Where'd you do that though? Hold on. So I just went to the beauty supply store and I actually bought some new ones. I got almonds and toffee. Ow, I just hit myself in the face with it. Almonds, I feel like it's gonna make me look real ashy, so I'm not even gonna use that. I usually use fawn, but lately I've been looking real pale with fawn, so I think toffee is like is darker than fawn. But Sophie, where did you put the concealer, girl? Oh, this is a lot of work. All right, let's first blend this out. Oh my gosh, it's not blending. This is a little too light for me still. Oh, you know what? If this looks like complete crap, I'm not even blending Sophie. Sophia, I'm not even gonna blame you because guess what? It's not your fault. It's all my fault. I don't have the proper tools. This like completely changed my complexion and I'm not feeling it. Right, I don't know why, but this is not working today. It usually works. Oh my gosh. I legit have a circle on my forehead. No, what is going on? It's like, oh my, look at that. What is even happening? Are we contouring yet?
I personally haven't done it. I don't know, like I don't like the idea of putting.
I have this BlackUp contour stick, but it's done. Like it's nothing coming up. It's $50, like $54 for this, and I'm not paying for it. See, this is why I stopped doing makeup tutorials on my channel. I did like 2 or 3 and just packed it up. I don't know why I'm contouring my forehead because I have like a 3 head barely, because this starts my hairline right there. It connects to my eyebrows. This is gonna be a little difficult to blend out because I use so much. Oh, she moves too fast. All right, she's on to the next already. Wait, didn't we already highlight? Why is she putting more on?
But anyway, I'm going in to highlight with my Tired concealer. Sorry, Tarte concealer. And yes, they're still canceled, guys. Yes, I'm still throwing shade. They need to come out with new shades, okay? And I'm gonna blend that out. It did cost me a pretty penny, so we gotta finish this. I'm gonna set my makeup with.
Oh my god, back to this forehead stuff.
I'm gonna set my makeup with Laura Mercier's baking powder and let my makeup just come together.
She's so cute and bubbly. All right, I'm gonna set my makeup with Airspun. All right, so I'm gonna start dusting this off. I don't think she's using anything to dust hers off. I dust my powder off with some MAC mineral press powder, because if I don't, it's just gonna look white and ashy like this. So right, what's next, Soap?
Buff that powder into my skin rather than sweeping it off, because I find that I get less oily when I do that, which is crazy. Like, I've been experimenting a lot on what works for my skin. But yeah, after setting my face, I'm going to go in and highlight. It's crazy because one of my subscribers commented that I should highlight after spraying because it looks better. And you know what? You were so right, sis. Like, that highlight just started popping out of nowhere.
Right.
I was shook. I was
girl,
so
you wasn't doing that before.
I've never done that. And then I'm gonna go with my favorite nude lip combo, which is Dose of Colors Cork and Stila Carmelo, which gives it like a milky look. If you're dark skinned, just use Cork and you're gonna be set. Like, it's a beautiful color.
Okay, my Cork is upstairs right now. I don't feel like getting it. I'm gonna use NYX Urban Cafe. I'm gonna line my lips with this, and I know that she's going for like a nude lip. That nude lip, if I did that on myself, it wouldn't work. And I gotta make it work with me. So I'm following her as much as I can, but I'm gonna put my own little twist to it, you know? And I believe with YouTubers, that's what you should do. You should do what they do to the extent that you can, you know? Or with the products that you can. Like, if you know that you can achieve something similar with products that you already have in your house, do that. Because that's what I did with that whole eye look, and I think we look relatively similar.
I'm here for this whole look, to be honest, like turban, denim, and all, but this would not be a 3-in-1 if I did not slay some hair for you guys. If you had me on Snapchat, then you
I forgot about the whole hair aspect. So she's doing her hair off camera. I'm gonna go do the same thing.
A few moments later.
You know what? Everything canceled. Everything. Let's just cancel it all. Scrap the footage, wrap it up, pack it up, go to bed. That's just it. Sophia, you got it. Much. I started wand curling this hair, right? I started it. I was in the back and I was just like, this wig is too thick. I just can't do it. So I just slapped it on my head, re-straightened it, put it back on my head. It's not laid down, as you can see, like it's not glued at all. Yeah, middle parts don't work for me at all. Usually I can, you know, slay a nice wig, but right now, at this very moment, I just can't. So let's just move on.
My hair is popping. I am definitely feeling myself.
It's very popping.
Yes, ma'am. I cannot believe I did this. Not gonna lie.
Girl, send me that wig.
My
How about
makeup is
that?
done. My hair is done. So you know what time it is?
Cute.
It is now time to dress up. Outfit number 1.
All right, let's see what I could.
Outfit number 1, definitely Flora's my flower.
Yeah, definitely will be wearing that because I don't have anything like it. Let's see what else. Next. Okay, body set, good or white? See, Dolly, this outfit, yeah. All right, this outfit right here, I would do something with this. Yes, this is my kind of vibes right here. This monochromatic pink, nudie pink. That's all me. That's what I do. All in all, Sophia, you got what you do with the 3-in-1s. That's all you, honey, because I can't do it. With this outfit that I did right now, I was actually trying to do the exact pink color scheme that she did. I did have a set like that. Like this skirt that I had came with a matching top and a matching duster, but the duster disappeared because I let my friend Jen borrow it and I never got it back. Jen, I want my duster back. The top I just really can't find at all, but I was supposed to pair it with these heels and, you know, look cute like her, but things happened. I had to try to improvise as much as I can. This outfit doesn't really make sense, but whatever. Maybe in the future I will do my own get ready with me 3-in-1. That's all I have for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's pretty lengthy. If you have not already, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let's try to get it 50 likes. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so I can ring you back when I upload my next video. And until next time, stay true, stay you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.